How to make an online quiz on Wix. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to make an online quiz on Wix. So first what you have to do is come to your home page or dashboard of Wix and click this edit site button on the top right corner of your screen. Once you click this, you're going to land over here on your Wix website editor. So now what you have to do is click this plus sign and then click contact and forms, and here search for the quiz option. If it has been removed and you can't see it, do not worry, just cross it over here and click this add apps option. Once you click this, it's going to take you to the Wix app market and search for app over here. Just write quiz over here, and I'm going to download this Firebox quizzes because I feel like this is the best one. You can add any that you want, just make sure it's a free plan or it has a free plan available. Just click add to site, and once you click add to site, it's going to pop up this very interface for you. Just click agree and add, and once you click this, it's going to just being added to your Wix website, and here you can see that it has added this quiz bar or the quiz box to my site. Now I can place it wherever I want it to be and edit it according to my needs. I'm just going to drag it and place it wherever I want it to be. So yeah, that's the process, easy and fast. I hope you liked the process and found it easy, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.